The FlyAuto 4000A Jump Starter Kit is a versatile 4-in-1 device that can jump-start vehicles with up to 10.0-liter gasoline or 8.0-liter diesel engines, making it a reliable companion for a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. This jump starter also functions as a portable power bank with a 74 watt-hour battery and USB output QC 3.0. Allowing you to charge your mobile phones, tablets, and other digital devices on the go. Equipped with a digital cordless air compressor, the FlyAuto Q18 allows you to read tire pressure on an LCD screen and automatically stops inflating at your preset pressure, providing convenience and preventing overinflation. The built-in LED flashlight with 3 modes, flashlight, SOS, and strobe, has a battery life of 11 to 12 hours, making it an excellent tool for camping, outdoor activities, and emergencies. Designed with intelligent, secure protection, this jump starter can operate in extreme temperatures, ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and includes 10 safety protection technologies to ensure ultimate safety. The kit comes complete with a smart jumper cable, USB-A to USB-C connection cable, carrying case, pump tube, and 3 air nozzles, providing everything you need for on-the-go convenience and peace of mind.